How to change screen sleep time in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change screen sleep time in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first right click on the start icon and from the pop-up menu, simply select power options and this will open up your power settings. So from here, you can simply scroll down and click on Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeout. And here, you will now see options to adjust when your screen turns off and when your PC goes to sleep. And there are separate settings for when your device is plugged in and on battery. So just change the values to whatever works best for you, and once set, your screen and system will follow these new sleep times. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.